Today I'm going to show you guys how to create this gorgeous blue winter wonderland eye makeup look. I am going to color correct using the Sigma color correcting palette all around my eye. You guys know I love to use a little masking tape on the outer edge just so the look can look nice and precise, and right here I'm just setting all the concealer with some pressed powder. So I am using this OPB Beauty Spotlight palette. Now don't get at me, but they still sell it. It's old but a goodie. So I'm using a blending brush, and the brushes that I'm using are from Sigma, and I also have a discount code. I will put it on the screen or down below, but I am just starting off by applying that dark shadow in the inner corner and outer corner. So this is a little different way to create a cut crease. Then I'm taking this fluffy brush and blending everything. So I'm going to go in with the other brush that I started with, applying that and blending. Okay, so this brush is from Wet n Wild, and it's a flat shader brush, and I'm applying some concealer to cut the crease and make it nice and clean. After that, I'm just removing the tape and look at how nice and precise it looks, and then I'm just going to clean it up a little bit with some concealer. I am adding a little bit of pressed powder right here just to set everything, and then I'm going to apply this beautiful brown just to blend it a little bit more, which I think I really like this mix, the darker and the lighter shade. And then I'm applying that Frosty blue grayish white color, which I don't even know what color it is, but it's so pretty. It reminds me of the snow, and I'm applying it in the inner corner, which it will help to brighten up that area. Then I'm adding a little bit of that frosty blue on the middle of the lid just to bring some color. Taking this angle brush to create a really thin eyeliner, and I'm grabbing that black eyeshadow from the palette, which is really pigmented, which I love. Curling my lashes, and girls, my lashes are still not growing. I don't know what else to try. And then I'm going to add a couple coats of mascara, and for the lashes I am using the Ardell 3D Fox Mink lashes. I will link you guys below. Going to add the brown shadow, and then after that I'm going to clean it up a little bit with some concealer. This brush is from It Cosmetics. It's an eyeshadow brush, but the way that it blends creams is so beautiful. So I was first just going to add the blue in my inner corner and just the outer corner, but it kind of felt weird right here. I'm adding a little bit of powder. I don't even know why I did that, but I just left it right there to show you guys that it was all over the place this video. So then I ended up applying the blue all over the bottom shadow, covering that brown, and then just extending it, winging it out in the outer corner, which it looks so pretty. Came out really pretty. I'm applying some black eyeliner, and there you guys have the final look. It is so beautiful, perfect for the holidays, and it just makes the brown eyes pop. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, follow me on TikTok, and leave me your comments down below. Bye! Fantastic.